Hi, I'm Asia from the Missouri City Branch Library. Do you require credible reference resources for a biography assignment? Or just want to learn more about important people from the past or present? Gale's Biography and Context is a good place to start. This database has many features and tools that make learning about a historical and contemporary person engaging and a simple way to collect information for your projects. Biography and Context contains over 5,000 portal pages of historical and contemporary people. Each page contains a biography, reference content, and multimedia about each person. The pages also include people from various genders, occupations, races, and backgrounds. You can use the search bar to locate a person's page by their name. The Biography and Context collection contains about 30 million documents from 1776 to the present. You can search for these documents using the Advanced Search option, which allows you to search for them using keywords, document title, and other parameters. You can also search for full text documents, peer-reviewed journals, images, and content or document type. Additionally, you can search for documents based on content levels and Lexile measures to get exactly what you are searching for as a researcher or student. You can also use the Browse People tool to search through hundreds of profiles by categories and names. There is also a Browse People area that categorizes pages by ethnicity, occupation, gender, and other current topics. Every day, new pages and data are added into the database and labeled with a updated or new sticker. The portal pages allow you to access content and resources quickly on the page. Each page has a biographical and related facts section about the person. The On This Page section lists all the resources that you can access on the person's page. You can look at biographies, images, listen to audio, read magazines or journals, as well as view other related topics. The academic journals are peer-reviewed, meaning another academic expert in the same field evaluates them. This means the content is accurate and reliable. Biography and Context provides several viewing and storage options. For example, you can translate the content into one of 20 languages, adjust text sizes, or listen to an audio version of the content. You can also highlight terms, make notes, and define the word in the Merriam-Webster Collegiate Dictionary. You can also send your content to a Google or Microsoft Drive. Send it as an email attachment, download, and print it. Finally, you can use the Citation Tool to copy or import citations in MLA, APA, and other formats. Many more tools and features are available in the Gale's Biography and Context database to assist you with your projects. On the Fort Bend County Library's website, you can also search the other databases for additional biographies. If you have any additional questions, you can ask a librarian at your local library, call us, or chat with us online.